Isang magandang morning, Sunday, beautiful people of the world. Ayan, kamusta po kayo ngayong araw ng linggo, guys? Ayan, for today's video, tayo po, guys, ay nagluto na naman. Ayan, nakita nyo naman. Dahil umuulan po ngayon, guys. At dahil Sunday ngayon, today is a special day aside from it's church day. Ngayong pong araw ay day off ng mama ko sa pag-aalaga kay Kulit Tantan. Yes, tama po ang inyong narinig. Kaya naman, for the yaya, ang inyong...
Oh, come on, sit here now.
Excuse me po.
Let's eat together, okay?
Excuse me again. Ayan, dinidigahi tayo. Ayan. So, for the yaya po tayo ngayon sa today's video, guys. So, ayan, pinagluto po natin ng breakfast. Ang kulit na ubit na ito. At sabay po kaming kumain. Yan ang kanyang favorite na hotdog. Ginising niya ako kanina, guys, at binantayan natin siya. Kaya naman, ayan, kain tayo. So, habang kami ay kumakain, ayan, kami nagkukwento ng kulit na to. Marami kaming pinagkukwentuhan. At pinipilit ko siyang kumain, guys, ng kamatis. Pero ayaw niya ng kamatis. Ewan ko ba, anything na mamasa-masa na ganyan. So, hindi kinakain ng kulit na to. Siguro na-associate niya sa kung ano. Ewan ko ba, ayan. Pero kumakain naman siya, guys, ng sabaw. Na favorite niya ang sabaw. Ayan. So, habang kami kumakain dalawa, ayan, sinusubuan ko siya. And so, si mama ko kasi, guys, kapag Sunday, nagpupunta ng church, sa day off niya, technically, maka-technically naman tayo. Kaya naman ako nagbantay ngayong araw. Actually, half day lang naman hanggang mamaya. So, marami kaming ginawa ngayong umaga, guys, ng kulit na to. Kasi umiyak-iyak siya kanina. Gusto niyang sumama sa lola niya. Kasi sabi niya, wag mo ko iwan, lola. Akala niya iiwan siya ng kanyang lola, Nes. Naku naman. Mahirap talaga kapag lumaki sa'yo ang bata, no? Kaya saan ka magpunta, no? Buntot. Ayan sa'yo. So, yan nga. At heto't natuto ako ng magic. Panoorin nyo, guys.
Wow! There is Spider-Man sleeper! Good job, my love! Galing mag-magic, my love ko,
At ngayon, ayan, tinanong nga ako ng kulit kung
I wanna
try daw. O, di ba napaka-arte na English?
Okay, I'm coming.
Siyempre, sinubukan na natin to, guys.
What shall I do then?
I don't know.
You don't know. I'll put it here.
Yes.
And then I'll cover it.
Yes.
Okay. And what will I say?
Abracadabra.
Abra. Like that?
Yes.
O come again. How what? Like that? Abracadabra.
O, di ba? Ayan, natuto tayong mag-magic with this kulit. Pagkatapos nga yan dyan, guys, ayan, at napag-video okay ang lola nyo. Ayan, siyempre ang ating mga talinggas, lumalabas pa ganito ang ating binabantayan. Mga chikikin talaga naman talagang 100% ang talent natin. Go na go tayo from cooking, from pagmamagic, and now from being a singer. So come on, everybody, join us in singing the favorite song of Medan.
With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. Yay! Old MacDonald had a farm. My family had a duck. And a quacker, and a quacker. Had a farm. Yuppie! Yay-yay-yo! And he knows for me had a horse. With a nay-nay here and a nay-nay there. Nay-nay everywhere, everywhere, nay-nay. Old MacDonald had a farm. Ayun, guys. E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here and a baba there. Here a baba, there a baba, everywhere baba. Old MacDonald had a farm. Yeah, Donald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. The chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a clap here and a clap there. Here a clap, and a clap, everywhere a clap. Old MacDonald had a farm. Happy!
Yeah, you did it.
We did it! Up here! Good job, my love.
Our Howie.
Ayan, guys.